Kahifah Romatanisa, last name 158, and my friend.
My name is Dewi Fatimah Zahra, last name 99. Hi Nisa, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. Thanks. How about you?
I'm great. Actually, I wanted to tell you something.
Oh, what is it?
I'm having a birthday party this Saturday at my house. I really hope you can come.
Wow, that's so fun. What time will it start?
It starts at 6 p.m. There'll be food, music, and games.
Nice. So I bring anything.
No need. Just bring yourself and your good mood.
Ha ha ha. Okay. I'll be there. Thanks for inviting me.
Also, can't wait to celebrate that evening.